Hi, I'm Ben Stonehouse and I've purchased a Sea King helicopter to convert into a cafe kiosk. We've been fitting it out over the last year, purchasing parts from all over the world to basically restore it back to former glory and turn it into a kiosk. Well, we've purchased these instruments over the last year. When we got the airframe, there was nothing in here, so everything's gone back in. It's all original and authentic. Yeah, it's starting to get there. We're still looking for suitable locations to site the helicopter as a cafe kiosk. So if you do know of anywhere that's suitable, please get in touch.